Just one cigarette. Have you ever wondered what it really does inside your body? With every inhale, toxic smoke enters your system, spreading silently through your body. This smoke is not just air, it carries thousands of harmful chemicals. These toxic substances travel deep into your lungs, damaging vital tissue with every breath. Over time, your lungs begin to weaken, oxygen levels drop, breathing becomes harder. Your heart is forced to work harder, placing your entire body under constant strain. Smoking silently destroys your health. Quit before it's too late.